Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. This is a continuation of my skincare journey. Morning and evening, I will Cetaphil Gentle Cleanser, followed by azelaic acid with this sunscreen before I leave the house. Nighttime will be Cerave PM with generic adapalene. I really like how everything feels. I was really hoping this would be permanent routine. Nothing is too expensive, but unfortunately, I'm still getting a little acne. So I made another Reddit post. I'm going to read through what people have been commenting, figure out which products to switch out and try new ones. Let's continue doing some research. Okay, so according to this comment, I should skip the Cerave PM. This person was also having problems. I'm a little sad because it got really good reviews, but I think this niacinamide is causing problems for other people. I was reading about it in those threads. So the plan is to switch to this Vanicream for my nighttime moisturizer. This one was also running low. I was gonna buy the same one, but I'm gonna try this azelaic acid from The Ordinary. Let's go shopping. We are back from shopping. Reddit was also saying to go to a brick and mortar because the internet, Amazon, there's a really small chance you might be getting a fake product if they're using third-party fulfillment from a less reliable company. The prices were also the same. The in-store was actually a little bit cheaper. They had deals where you buy two, the second one is discounted. I was also able to combo that with the Target Ulta rewards program. It's free to sign up for. You spend $100, they send you a $3 coupon. So I think for me personally, moving forward, brick and mortar is definitely the way to go. I get to hold and see the product, take it home the same day, know it's real, also save money. In the morning, I will finish this one and try the Ordinary azelaic acid. In the evening, Reddit was totally correct. The Cerave PM, I was getting a new whitehead every day or two. I still finished the product just to not waste any. I started the Vanicream a few days ago. No whiteheads yet, and I like the way this one feels. Before we wash our face, let's check the date real quick. It is June 28th. Quick face check before we head into the shower. I'm gonna start breaking up these skincare videos into multiple parts because the last video is 14 minutes and way too long. Today is July 19th. It hasn't even been 1 month and I already know this daily facial moisturizer is my holy grail. I have a small sample size of 3. The Hydro Boost was really good. Felt great. Didn't cause me any problems, but it is double the price of Cerave and Vanicream. I really wanted to like the Cerave, but it caused me some whiteheads and it felt noticeably worse than the Hydro Boost. The Hydro Boost felt really good. Cerave felt a little bit worse, and this Vanicream felt better than both of them. It feels the best on my oily combination skin. It's a little bit cheaper, doesn't cause me any problems, so it will be the holy grail for a little bit. Next video is sunscreen. Both of these are causing me a little bit of white cast, especially around facial hair. This one goes on a little bit oilier, but both of them dry pretty nicely. I keep hearing about Korean and Japanese sunscreen, so next video we are doing a deep dive and potentially buying a few of them to try out. Video 208 done.